What's the meaning of Anglophobia? Anglophobia. 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 Anglophobia.
Anglophobia refers to a strong dislike or fear of English people, language, or culture. It can manifest in the form of discrimination, prejudice, or hostility towards anything related to England or the English. The term is often used to describe attitudes or actions taken by individuals or groups who perceive the English as a dominant or oppressive force. Those with Anglophobia may harbor negative stereotypes or beliefs about the English without any rational basis. This can lead to social tension and conflict between different groups within a society.